We will guide you through how to make vertical shake transition in CapCut PC. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and search for CapCut in the Windows search bar. Launch the CapCut desktop application from the search results and wait for the editor to load completely before continuing. Create a new project or open an existing one, depending on whether you are starting a new video or continuing a previous edit. Import the video clips you want to edit if they have not already been added to your project. Arrange the clips in the desired sequence on the timeline so they meet at the exact point where you want the transition to appear. Navigate to the Transitions tab from the top toolbar to open the transition library. Wait for the transition library to finish loading completely before searching for a specific effect. Type vertical shake into the transition search box and allow the matching results to appear. Browse the available vertical shake transition effects until you find the one that best suits your editing style and the overall mood of your video. Select the vertical shake transition you want to use by clicking it to preview the animation. If you are satisfied with the preview, drag the transition onto the cut between the two clips on the timeline. Adjust the transition duration to control the intensity and speed of the effect. A shorter duration creates a quicker and stronger shake, while a longer duration produces a smoother and more gradual transition between the clips. Fine-tune the duration until the vertical shake looks smooth and natural without appearing too harsh or too slow. Continue previewing the transition after every adjustment to ensure it complements the pacing of your project. Review the edited section again to ensure the transition blends both clips seamlessly and enhances the overall flow of your video.